Deciding between a macerating toilet and a traditional toilet can seem like a simple choice, but the differences go beyond just price. Today, I'll break down everything you need to know to make the right decision, from installation to maintenance and everything in between. What is a macerating toilet? A macerating toilet is an innovative solution for spaces where traditional toilets aren't feasible. It uses a pump system that grinds waste into a slurry and pushes it through smaller pipes. This makes it possible to install a toilet in places like basements, garages, or even tiny homes, where conventional plumbing can't reach easily. What is a traditional toilet? A traditional toilet works by relying on gravity to move waste from the toilet to the sewer or septic system. It's the classic plumbing setup that uses larger pipes, and it requires a natural slope to function correctly. When flushed, water from the tank flows into the bowl and carries waste through the pipes via gravity. Key differences between macerating and traditional toilets: water pressure and flow. Macerating toilets use a pump to grind and move waste through smaller pipes, meaning they tend to have lower water pressure than traditional toilets. While they can still handle waste effectively, the overall flushing power might not match that of gravity-fed systems. Installation process: traditional toilets require a proper slope for gravity to work, meaning they're best suited for homes with existing plumbing. Installing them in unconventional spaces can be costly and complex. Macerating toilets, however, can be installed virtually anywhere with a power source, as they don't rely on gravity to move waste. They do, however, require an electrical outlet to power the pump, making the installation more complex. Maintenance needs: traditional toilets are easy to maintain with basic cleaning and occasional repairs. Macerating toilets, on the other hand, require more upkeep, especially with the pump and blades. If not properly maintained, clogs or malfunctions can occur, resulting in potentially costly repairs. Noise and power dependence: macerating toilets can be noisier than traditional toilets due to the grinding mechanism. Additionally, they rely on electricity to power the pump, meaning if there's a power outage, your macerating toilet won't work, unlike traditional toilets, which operate entirely without power. Cost consideration: while macerating toilets typically have a higher upfront cost, they can save money in installation, especially if you're avoiding a major plumbing overhaul. Traditional toilets, although less expensive initially, might require significant plumbing changes if you're placing them in a non-traditional location, which could lead to higher costs in the long run. Pros and cons of macerating toilets. Advantages: macerating toilets offer unparalleled flexibility. They can be installed in spaces where traditional plumbing isn't feasible, basements, garages, or tiny homes, for example. They provide an excellent solution for homeowners looking to add a bathroom without the hassle of a major plumbing renovation. Additionally, they take up less space and can make use of existing small-diameter pipes. Disadvantages: however, macerating toilets come with a few downsides. They require regular maintenance to keep the pump and blades working properly. The higher upfront cost and the need for electricity might be a turnoff for some. Also, the noise from the pump can be disruptive, particularly in quiet settings or late at night. Pros and cons of traditional toilets. Advantages: traditional toilets are simple, reliable, and easy to maintain. Since they don't rely on electricity, you won't have to worry about power outages affecting your bathroom use. The design has been perfected over centuries, so they are highly dependable. They are also cheaper to install when you already have the appropriate plumbing system. Disadvantages: on the downside, traditional toilets require a specific plumbing setup with a proper slope for waste to flow by gravity. If you're installing one in a basement, upper floor, or a place without a direct connection to a sewer line, the cost of renovation can add up. If you're dealing with poor plumbing infrastructure, installing a traditional toilet can be a costly and complex process. Which one should you choose? If you're looking to install a toilet in a basement, garage, or remote location without an existing plumbing system, a macerating toilet might be your best option. It offers great flexibility and can be installed with minimal renovation. These toilets are ideal for spaces where traditional plumbing isn't viable and where adding a bathroom would otherwise be a challenge. However, if you already have standard plumbing and want a straightforward, low-maintenance option, a traditional toilet is the way to go. It's reliable, easy to install, and cheaper in the long run if you don't need a major plumbing overhaul. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your specific needs. If you need a flexible, non-invasive solution for tricky plumbing setups, go for a macerating toilet. If simplicity, reliability, and low maintenance are what you're after, a traditional toilet is the best fit. To sum up, macerating toilets are perfect for non-traditional spaces where plumbing is limited, offering flexibility and convenience. Traditional toilets, however, are ideal for homes with existing plumbing, offering ease of use and minimal maintenance.